Companies Act 2013 and Electricity Act 2003. Kerala PSC question paper for departmental exam, in-service exam, PSC exams, UPSC exams, UGC NET exam, degree PG level exams and various other exams. MCQ, multiple choice questions. Question number 1. The person who are charge of the management of the affairs of a company are answer termed as directors or collectively known as board of directors. Question number 2. Directors take the decision regarding the management of a company collectively in their meetings known as dash board meeting. Answer board meeting. Question number 3. As per section 173 of the Companies Act 2013, not more than dash shall intervene between two consecutive board meetings. 120 days. Answer 120 days. Question number 4. As per section 173 of the Companies Act 2013, how many board meetings must be held every year? Answer 4 board meetings. Question number 5. The decision at the board meeting are taken by dash of votes. Answer simple majority. Question number 6. Which of the following type of vote can be exercised by the chairman for deciding the matter in board meetings if there is situation of equal number of votes for and against any resolution? Answer casting vote. Question number 7. In board meeting, if there is situation of equal number of votes for and against any resolution, the dash has the power to exercise his casting vote deciding the matter. Answer chairman. Question number 8. The term director is defined in dash of the Companies Act 2013. Answer section 2 subsection 34. I repeat, the term director is defined in dash of the Companies Act 2013. Answer section 2 subsection 34. Question number 9. According to section 2 subsection 34 of Companies Act 2013, director means a director appointed to the board of a company. Answer true. Question number 10. One person company shall have dash. Answer one director. Question number 11. What is the maximum number of directors that can be appointed by the companies as per Companies Act 2013? Answer 12 directors. Question number 12. Company may appoint more 15 directors after passing dash. Answer special resolution in general meeting. Question number 13. As per section 65 of the Companies Act 2013, I repeat, as per section 165 of the Companies Act 2013, maximum number of directorship including any alternate directorship a person can hold is answer 20. Question number 14. Section 149 subsection 3 of the Companies Act 2013 has provided for residence of a director in India as compulsory. That is, every company shall have at least one director who has stayed in India for a total period of not less than dash in the previous calendar year. Answer 182 days. Question number 15. The registrar shall register any alteration of the memorandum with respect to the objects of the company and certify the registration within a period of dash from the date of filing of the special resolution. Answer 30 days. Question number 16. Section 2 subsection 47 of the Companies Act 2013 prescribed that independent director means an independent director referred to in subsection 5 of dash of the Act. Answer section 149. Question number 17. An independent director means a director other than a dash who does not have any material or pecuniary relationship with the company or directors. Answer managing director, whole-time director, nominee director. Answer all of the above. Question number 18. The registrar shall register any alteration of the memorandum with respect to the object of the company and certify the registration within a period of dash from the date of filing of the special resolution? Answer 30 days. Question number 19. In order to call any person as independent director, he must not either directly or any of his relatives hold or has held the position of a key managerial personnel or has been employee of the company or its holding subsidiary or associate company in any of the dash immediately preceding the financial year in which he is proposed to be appointed. Answer 3 financial years. Question number 20. In order to call any person as independent director, the relatives of such a person should not have had any pecuniary relationship with the company or its subsidiaries amounting to dash of its gross turnover or total income or dash or such higher amount as may be prescribed, whichever is less, during the two immediately preceding financial years or in the current financial year. Answer 2% or more and rupees 50 lakh. That is, in order to call any person as independent director, the relatives of such a person should not have had any pecuniary relationship with the company or its subsidiaries amounting to 2% or more of its gross turnover or total income or 5 lakhs or such higher amount as may be prescribed, whichever is less, during the two immediately preceding financial years or in the current financial year. Question number 21. In order to call any person as independent director, neither himself nor any of his relative is a chief executive or director by whatever name called, or any non-profit organization that receives dash or more of its receipts from the company, any of its promoters, directors, or its holding, subsidiary or associate company, or that holds dash of the total voting power of the company. Answer 25% 25% or more, 2% or more. Question number 22. Who can be appointed as director of a company? Answer individual. Option A body corporate, option B association, option C firm, option D individual. Correct answer individual. Question number 23. Any corporate body or firm can be appointed as director of the company. This statement is answer false. Question number 24. No company shall appoint or reappoint any individual as director of the company unless he has been allotted dash. Answer director identification number. Question number 25. Every public company shall have at least dash directors. Answer 3 directors. Question number 26. According to Section 151 of the Companies Act 2013, every listed company dash have one director elected by such small shareholders. Answer should. I repeat, according to Section 151 of the Companies Act 2013, every listed company should have one director elected by such small shareholders. Question number 27. According to the Section 151, every dash may have one director elected by such small shareholders. Answer listed company. Question number 28. How many directors must have appointed by the private company? Answer 2 directors. Question number 29. Every listed public company shall have at least dash of the total number of directors as independent directors. Answer 1/3. Question number 30. Which of the following is not a clause included in Memorandum of Association? Answer. Options name clause. Option B registered office clause. Option C object clause. Option D dividend clause. Answer option D dividend clause. Question number 31. High Aim Private Limited wants to change its object clause of the Memorandum of Association to the company. That needs answer shareholders approval by way of special resolution. Question number 32. Directors may be appointed dash by central government, by third parties like financial institutions, by shareholders in general meeting. All of the above. Question number 33. The first director are usually named in the dash. Answer article. Question number 34. If first director are not named in the article, the subscribers to the dash are deemed to be the directors. I repeat, if first directors are not named in the article, the subscribers to the dash are deemed to be the director. Answer memorandum who are individuals. Answer memorandum who are individuals. Question number 35. How many directors can be permanently appointed out of the total number of directors in case of public company? Answer 1/3. Question number 36. In the case of public company, out of the total number of directors, dash be directors liable to retire by rotation. 2/3. Answer 2/3. Question number 37. In case of public company, out of the total number of directors, 2/3 be directors liable to retire by rotation. At each annual general meeting, dash of these 2/3 of directors are, however, eligible for reappointed. Answer 1/3. Question number 38. The document which should not be filed with ROC at the time of registration is dash. Answer certificate of commencement of business. Question number 39. The most important document of a company is dash. Its answer options: A. Prospectus. Option B. Annual report. Option C. Memorandum of association. Option D. Articles of association. Answer memorandum of association. Question number 40. The private company requires conversion of a public company into a answer a special resolution and union government's approval. I repeat, question number 40. The private company requires conversion of a public company into a answer a special resolution and union government's approval. Question number 41. The charter of a company refers to is question number 41. The charter of a company refers to is answer memorandum of association. Question number 42. The article of association establishes relationship between dash answer company and its members and in members inter se. Question number 43. Article of association can be altered by dash a special resolution in general meeting. Question number 44. Where a company fails to redeem the debentures on the date of their maturity or fails to pay interest on the debentures when it is due, the tribunal may, on the application of any or all of the debenture holders or debenture trustee and after hearing the parties concerned, direct or by order, the company answer to redeem the debentures forthwith on payment of principal and interest due thereon. Question number 45. Where at any time the debenture trustee comes to a conclusion that the assets of the company are insufficient or are likely to become insufficient to discharge the principal amount as and when it becomes due, he may answer file a petition before the tribunal and the tribunal may, after hearing the company and any other person interested in the matter by order, impose such restrictions on the incurring of any further liabilities by the company as the tribunal may consider necessary in the interest of the debenture holders. Question number 46. Any debenture trustee can be removed from his office provided answer it is approved by the holders of not less than 3/4 in value of the debentures outstanding at their meeting. Question number 47. Any vacancy in office of debenture trustee caused due to his resignation shall be filled by answer written consent of the majority of the debenture holders. Question number 48. XYZ Limited has total 10 rotational directors. Out of directors liable to retire by rotation, director that will retire at the AGM but eligible for reappointment will be dash. Answer 3. Question number 49. Any vacancy in office of debenture trustee shall be filled by answer board of directors. Question number 50. Out of 2/3 directors liable to retire by rotation. One third director retiring are dash retire first. Those who have been longest in office. I repeat, question number 50. Out of two-third directors liable to retire by rotation, one-third director retiring are dash retire first. Answer: those who have been longest in office. Question number 51. Additional directors are appointed by dash. Answer: board of directors. Question number 52. Additional directors hold office up to the date the next dash annual general meeting. Question number 53. Who is appointed in the place of original director in case of his absence? Answer: alternate director. Question number 54. If there is any intermittent vacancy of an independent director, then it shall be filled up by the board of directors within dash from the date of such vacancy or not later than immediate next board meeting. Answer: 3 months, whichever is later. Question number 55. Small shareholders. Small shareholders means a shareholder holding shares of nominal value of not more than dash or such other sum as may be prescribed. Answer: 20,000 rupees. Question number 56. In case of party convertible debentures, debenture redemption reserve shall be created in respect of. Answer: non-convertible portion of debenture only. Question number 57. A trust deed for securing any issue of debentures shall be open for inspection to any member or debenture holder of the company. Answer: for both member and debenture holders in the same manner as if it were the register of members of the company. Question number 58. A copy of the trust deed shall be forwarded to any member or debenture holder of the company at his request within. Answer: 7 days of such request. Question number 59. Any vacancy in office of debenture trustee shall be filled by. Answer: board of directors. Question number 60. If a director of the company contravenes the provisions of section 166, such director shall be punishable with a fine which shall not be less than dash but which may extend to dash. Answer: which shall not be less than rupees 1 lakh and but which may extend to 5 lakh. Question number 61. Section 173 of the Companies Act 2013 deals with the meeting of the board, and it provides that the first board meeting should be held within dash of the date of incorporation. Answer: 30 days. Question number 62. In case of one person company OPC small company and dormant company, at least dash board meeting should be conducted in each half of the calendar year and the gap between two meetings should not be less than dash. Answer: 190 days. That is, at least one board meeting should be conducted in each half of the calendar year and the gap between two meetings should not be less than 90 days. Question number 63. The Companies Act 2013 requires that not less than dash notice in writing shall be given to every director at the registered address as available with the company. Answer: 7 days. Question number 64. Every company required to create debenture redemption reserve shall invest in one or more of the following securities. Answer: unencumbered securities of the mentioned in section 20 of the Indian Trust Act 1882. Question number 65. In case of the board meeting is called at shorter notice. Question number 65. In case the board meeting is called at shorter notice, at least dash shall be present at the meeting. Answer: one independent director. Question number 66. Dash of total strength or dash whichever is higher shall be the quorum for a board meeting. Answer: 1/3 two directors. That is, 1/3 of total strength or two directors, whichever is higher shall be the quorum for a board meeting. Question number 67. If at any time the number of interested directors exceeds or is equal to dash of the total strength of the board of directors, the number of directors who are not interested and present at the meeting, being not less than dash, shall be the quorum during such time. Answer. If at any time the number of interested directors exceeds or is equal to 2/3 of the total strength of the board of directors, the number of directors who are not interested and present at the meeting being not less than 2 shall be the quorum during such time. Question number 68. Every company required to create a debenture redemption reserve shall on or before the 30th day of April in each year invest or deposit, as the case may be, a sum which shall not be less. Answer. 15% of the amount of its debentures maturing during the year ending on the 31st day of March of the next year. Question number 69. Which out of the following statement is incorrect in relation to debenture redemption reserve? Answer. For companies engaged in infrastructure, the adequacy of DRR will be 50% of the value of outstanding debentures. Question number 70. Any money transferred to the unpaid dividend account of a company which remains unpaid or unclaimed for a period of 7 years shall be transferred by the company to answer investor education and protection fund. Question number 71. Debenture trust deed shall be executed as per answer form SH 12. Question number 72. Debenture trust deed shall be executed by the company issuing debentures in favor of the debenture trustee. Answer B. Within 3 months of closure of the issue or offer. Question number 73. Which of the following is correct in relation to debenture redemption reserve, where a company for redemption of such debentures? Answer. Company may provide for transfer of such amount in debenture redemption reserve as is necessary for redemption of such debentures. Question number 74. A whole-time key managerial personnel shall not hold office in more than dash company except in its dash company at the same time. Answer. 1 and subsidiary. I repeat. A whole-time key managerial person shall not hold office in more than one company except in its subsidiary company at the same time. Question number 75. Meeting of all the debenture holders shall be convened by the debenture trustee on answer happening of any event which constitute a breach, default, or which in the opinion of the debenture trustees affect the interest of the debenture holders. Question number 76. If the office or any whole-time key managerial personnel is vacated, the resulting vacancy shall be filled up by the board at a meeting of the board within a period of dash from the date of such vacancy. Answer 6 months. Question number 77. As per Rule 8A of the Company's Appointment and Remuneration of Managerial Person Rules 2014 provides that a company which has a paid up capital of dash crores rupees or more shall have a whole-time company secretary. Answer 5. Question number 78. The function of the company secretary are specified in of the Companies Act 2013. Answer section 205. I repeat. Question number 78. The function of the company secretary are specified in of the Companies Act 2013. Answer section 205. Question number 79. Meeting of all the debenture holders shall be convened by the debentures trustee on answer requisition in writing signed by debenture holders holding at least 1/10 in value of the debentures for the time being outstanding. Question number 80. A managing director being essentially a director must be an individual. Answer true. Question number 81. Section 96 of the Companies Act 2013 provides that dash other than a dash is required to hold an annual general meeting every year. Answer, every company, one person company. I repeat, Section 96 of the Companies Act 2030 provides that every company other than a one person company is required to hold an annual general meeting every year. Question number 82. Only an individual can be appointed a manager of a company. Answer, true. Question number 83. First AGM of the company should be held within dash from the closing of the first financial year. Answer, 9 months. Question number 84. Subsequent annual general meeting of the company should be held within dash from the closing of the financial year. Answer, 6 months. Question number 85. The gap between two annual general meetings should not exceed. Answer, 15 months. Question number 86. In case it is not possible for a company to hold an annual general meeting within the prescribed time, the registrar may, for any special reason, extend the time within which any annual general meeting shall be held. Such extension can be for a period not exceeding. Answer, 3 months. Question number 87. An AGM can be called during dash, that is between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. on any day that is not a dash. Answer, business hours, national holiday. I repeat, an AGM can be called during business hours, that is between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. on any day that is not a national holiday. Question number 88. Which out of the following shall not be the duty of every debenture trustee? Answer, take steps to convene a meeting of members as and when such meeting is required to be held. Question number 89. Debenture trustee shall be entitled to appoint nominee director on board of company if. Answer, default in redemption of debentures. Question number 90. All general meeting other than annual general meeting are called dash, extraordinary general meeting. Sorry, I repeat. Question number 90. All general meetings other than annual general meetings are called dash. Answer, extraordinary general meeting. Question number 91. Which out of the following is not a duty of debenture trustee? Answer, discussing the performance in board meeting. Answer, discussing the performance in board meeting. Question number 92. A person shall not be appointed as a debenture trustee if he. Answer, relative of any promoter or any person who is in employment of the company as a director or key managerial personnel. Question number 93. A person shall not be appointed as a debenture trustee if he. Answer, beneficiary holds share in the company, promoter, director or key managerial personnel or any other officer or an employee of the company or its holding subsidiary or associate company, beneficially entitled to monies which are to be paid by the company otherwise than as remuneration payable to the debenture trustee. All of the above. Answer, all of the above. Question number 94. A general meeting of a company may be called by giving not less than dash notice either in writing or through electronic mode. Answer, 21 clear days. Question number 95. A general meeting may be called after giving a shorter notice also if consent is given in writing or by electronic mode by not less than dash of the members entitled to vote at such meeting. Answer, 95%. Question number 96. In case of an annual general meeting, the place of the meeting has to be either the registered office or the company or some other place within the city, town or village in which company is situated. Answer, registered office. Question number 97. An extraordinary general meeting can be held on. Answer, working day, national holiday, public holiday, any of the above. Answer, any of the above. Question number 98. Which out of the following statement is incorrect in relation to issue of debentures? Answer, companies engaged in setting up of infrastructure projects may issue secured debentures for a period exceeding 10 years but not exceeding 20 years. Question number 99. term debenture is defined as per answer section 2 subsection 30. Question number 100. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Option A, no company shall issue any debenture carrying any voting rights. Option B, a company may issue debenture with an option to convert such debentures into shares either wholly or partly at the time of redemption. Option C, an issue of secured debentures may be made provided the date of its redemption shall not exceed 10 years from the date of issue. Option D, the company shall appoint the debenture trustee after the issue of prospectus for purpose of security creation. Answer option D, the company shall appoint the debenture trustee after the issue of prospectus for purpose of security creation. Thank you.